Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how to start make money with Clickbank. It's very easy, believe me. So let's start without wasting your time. Yes. So first go to Clickbank. You can see here. So I have already logged in with this. So enter your details. Yes. So once you're logged in, it's taking time. Sorry about that. Yes, so this is the dashboard basically. So I can show you my yesterday sale. This is what I made yesterday. It's not a big amount, but it's not bad as well. So while you stay home, you're making money, so it's not that bad. So you can see on the left side, you see the affiliate marketplace, right? So once you click on like logged in on Clickbank, so you have different products to promote, right? So we'll go on affiliate marketplace. Yes. So after clicking on that affiliate marketplace, you can see there are many products here, right? So I'll give you an example of cooking food and wine, right? I usually promote like e-business, e-marketing because my topic is like telling people how to make money online. So it depends upon your topic. If you are a dietitian, if you are helping people to lose weight, this is best topic for you, right? To promote. So let's click on cook food and wine. Yeah. So we will like this you're seeing here short result by, so you have to click on gravity. What does gravity mean? So you have to choose the product whose gravity is above 30. It means that product is really good and you can actually promote that product, right? So for this sale, you can see you get, if somebody is buying for once, you get $21, right? And for reoccurring, there is no reoccurring means the monthly commission. So once someone is signing up with your link, sorry, so how much do you get paid monthly? So as you can see here, for offers fat burning kitchen, and for this month you are getting reoccurring commission $7 every month, right? Yes, so you can choose any product. So once you click on promote, so yes, add your nickname. I added Yamini. So generate your hop link. So this is your link. If somebody is buying you like from this link, you are getting commission. If somebody is buying any product, so let's see, let's test this link. So we'll open this. Yeah, yes. So you can see here the article has come. And once people come here, if they buy anything, keto recipe, anything, you get commission for every single sale. And that is monthly commission as well, right? Also, if you want to create your assets, like for example, if you want to create your email list and you want to create your opt-in page for that, so for free, you can go to AWeber. I will attach the link for Clickbank as well, for AWeber as well. Like you can use that for free to send people emails about your product. Also, that is your assets, right? So if you have 500 plus emails for GetResponse, you get paid for that. So there are many apps that you get paid for that, and it's really simple. Believe me, start making money. You can see like yesterday I made 2 sales. I got $35 for that. Well, I didn't do anything. I just promoted that product. That product was sent by the person who is selling that, right? There is no my like interference in that, so I just get commission. So yes, so this is AWeber account. So here you can see my total list is 93, right? So yes, you can create your landing page here. So landing page is, you have to create your opt-in. So once people enter your email, their email, then you get their email, right? So you have that asset with you, right? So if you have any question regarding Clickbank and regarding AWeber, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. I'll be posting videos here for more earning tips. And let me know if you need my help. Thank you so much for watching this video.